Top ways to make money without exposing your face online. Welcome back to our channel, where we share practical tips and ideas for making money online. In today's video, we're going to dive deeper into the top ways to make money without exposing your face online. Whether you're camera shy or simply prefer to keep your identity private, these methods will allow you to earn an income while maintaining your anonymity. Let's explore each method in more detail. Freelance writing. Our first method, freelance writing, offers a world of opportunities for those with a way with words. As a freelance writer, you can provide your services to clients in need of well-crafted content. This can include writing blog posts, website content, product descriptions, and even ebooks. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to showcase your writing skills and connect with potential clients. By leveraging your talent for writing, you can earn money without ever revealing your face. Graphic design. Graphic design is another highly sought-after skill that can be monetized without exposing your face. If you have an eye for aesthetics and a creative flair, graphic design can open up numerous income-generating opportunities. You can create logos, social media graphics, website layouts, and much more. Platforms like Fiverr, 99 Designs, and Design Crowd serve as marketplaces where you can find clients seeking professional graphic design services. By leveraging your design skills, you can build a successful career and earn money without stepping in front of the camera. Voice acting. For those blessed with a captivating voice, voice acting can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding endeavor. Many companies, including video game developers, animation studios, and audiobook producers, are constantly on the lookout for talented voice actors. Websites like Voices.com, Voice123, and Fiverr provide platforms for showcasing your voice acting skills and connecting with potential clients. Whether you're narrating audiobooks or lending your voice to animated characters, voice acting allows you to make money using your vocal talents, all without exposing your face. Virtual assistant. Host. If you possess strong organizational skills and enjoy assisting others, becoming a virtual assistant may be the ideal path for you. Virtual assistants provide remote administrative support to clients, helping with tasks such as scheduling, email management, data entry, and more. Websites like Remote.co, Upwork, and Freelancer offer a multitude of virtual assistant opportunities. By working behind the scenes, you can earn a steady income without the need to reveal your face. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is an excellent way to monetize your expertise and share knowledge without showing your face. Whether you excel in a foreign language, mathematics, science, or any other subject, online tutoring platforms such as Tutor.com, VIPKid, and Preply connect you with students from around the world. By conducting one-on-one tutoring sessions or providing educational resources, you can make a significant impact while earning money online. Podcasting. Podcasting has emerged as a popular medium for sharing information, stories, and expertise. With the rise of platforms like Anchor and Libsyn, hosting your own podcast has become more accessible than ever before. You can choose a topic of interest, conduct interviews, or deliver educational content, all without exposing your face. By building a dedicated audience and leveraging sponsorships, you can generate revenue through podcasting while maintaining your anonymity. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a versatile approach to making money online without revealing your face. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Blogging, creating YouTube videos, or running a niche website are effective ways to engage with your audience and recommend products you genuinely believe in. Affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate provide ample opportunities to monetize your content and earn a passive income. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can turn your hobby into a profitable venture through stock photography. Numerous websites, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images, allow you to upload your high-quality images for licensing. Individuals and businesses in need of compelling visuals for their websites, blogs, and marketing materials can purchase and download your photographs, providing you with royalties for every sale. With stock photography, you can monetize your creative work without ever showing your face. Conclusion. There you have it, an in-depth exploration of the top ways to make money without exposing your face online. Whether you choose to pursue freelance writing, graphic design, voice acting, virtual assistants, online tutoring, podcasting, affiliate marketing, or stock photography, the digital landscape offers endless opportunities to earn an income while protecting your anonymity. Remember, finding a method that aligns with your skills and interests is key to long-term success. Let us know in the comments which of these methods resonates with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. How to make money with a faceless channel on YouTube. Best pick for me, YouTube automation. We'll be discussing how to make money with a faceless channel on YouTube. If you prefer to remain anonymous or simply don't want to show your face on camera, these methods will help you monetize your content while protecting your identity. Let's get started. Content planning. Host. The first step to building a successful faceless channel is to plan your content carefully. Identify a niche or topic that interests you and has a dedicated audience. Conduct thorough research to understand what kind of content is in demand within your chosen niche. Create a content strategy that incorporates valuable information, entertainment, or educational content that appeals to your target audience. High-quality voiceovers. Host. Since you won't be showing your face, focus on delivering high-quality voiceovers. Invest in a good microphone and ensure that your audio is clear and professional. Practice your vocal delivery and tone to engage your audience effectively. A compelling voice can capture attention and keep viewers engaged with your content. Engaging visuals. Host. While you may not be showing your face, that doesn't mean you can't create visually appealing content. Utilize eye-catching graphics, animations, and stock footage to enhance your videos. Incorporate text overlays, diagrams, or relevant visuals to provide additional context and engagement. Remember, visual appeal plays a crucial role in keeping your audience interested. Screen capture and presentations. Host. Screen capture and presentation style videos are excellent formats for faceless channels. You can create tutorials, software demonstrations, or presentations that provide value to your viewers. Utilize screen recording software to capture your computer screen while you narrate and explain the content. This format allows you to showcase your expertise and build credibility without revealing your face. Storytelling and narration. Host. Storytelling is a powerful tool for engaging your audience. Craft compelling narratives, share personal experiences, or narrate captivating stories that relate to your niche. By mastering the art of storytelling, you can create a strong connection with your viewers and keep them coming back for more. Collaborations and interviews. Host. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is an effective way to expand your reach and provide diverse perspectives. You can conduct interviews or feature guest appearances without showing your face. Engage in conversations, ask insightful questions, and provide valuable insights through these collaborative efforts. Affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Host. Monetizing your faceless channel can be achieved through affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Partner with brands and companies that align with your niche and create genuine recommendations for their products or services. Include unique affiliate links in your video descriptions or dedicate segments to sponsored content, all while ensuring transparency with your audience. Branding and merchandise. Host. Building a strong brand presence is crucial for long-term success. Develop a memorable logo, consistent channel artwork, and engaging thumbnails to enhance your brand identity.